Hi there, this is Doc Mountain, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time stopping by my channel, well, now I urge you to go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I happen to post a video, you happen to be alerted. Without any further ado, let's jump into things. The core essence of doing this video is just to walk you through the steps that you have to walk through for you to retrieve a payslip. If let's say last month went by, and we're talking of December, last month of last year, 2023, you didn't receive your payslip and you need to use it. If let's say you want to apply for housing allowance or double class, rural hardship, whatever it is that you want to apply for, whatever you want to claim. If they need the payslip that you don't have, you need to take these steps to retrieve that payslip, and you will have it in your email inbox. So without any further ado, let's take a ride. All right, so you need to head on to the description section for you to be able to access that web address that will lead you to the web page where you're going to fill in the details and then you request for that payslip. So you need to click that link. I will leave it in the description section. Then the steps are there, and the steps are that first you enter your employee number or NRC, one of the two. Click on search. After clicking on search, your name will appear. Click on select. The employee number will automatically enter itself in the box. Enter your email address, month as one, and select year. Then click on send. Try to click send button twice. Go to your email inbox, then you check. Okay, so let's take a ride. I'm clicking on this web address. Okay, so it has actually opened the page. Okay, so here you will need to enter your employee number in the top section there. You enter employee number. After you enter the employee number, you need to click here and select employee number. Thereafter, you need to hit search employee details here. And when you search, you will actually see a box here with all your details, your name, the employee number, the NRC. And when you see that, there will be somewhere where you need to click to say select at the bottom of the details. When you click there, this box will actually be filled with your name. So you need now to enter your email address in here. And then you specify the month. If it's for this month, January, you indicate 01. Then at the far end here, you need to choose the year. Is it 2024 or 2023? And then the message here, you can simply say payslip for January or payslip for December 2023, whatever you feel like typing in here. Then you need to click send request e-payslips. So on your first attempt, when you just click here, it will start loading up here, indicating that the message is being sent. You may head on to your email inbox and find that there's nothing. You simply come back here, then click send request again. Then you can head on to your email inbox